I'm reminded of what God told me. He said, when you plant a seed in the calmness of the darkness of soil, you don't understand, you don't see what happens, that before that seed breaks through the soil, that it has already reached out and grabbed onto the soil. Therefore, when it breaks out, it's already established, it's strong, because underneath it's already established. So in order for us in this time of darkness, when we can't see what God is doing, he told me, even though you can't see, know that I am working, even in this time. So in order for us to go forward, we're going to have to trust that God is working this out, even in this time. We're going to make a decision, I pray, to let go and lift up and praise God. Because we can't reach what God has for us if we won't let go of the past. This is for us. This is our time. This is our decision. I love my family. Whether you're married into the family, you're still family. Born into the family, you're still family. We must stand together as a family and say that we're going to make it, because the enemy comes to seek, kill, and destroy. He's looking for the weak person, the person that is